Hello students, in this video we will see certain laws of algebra of sets. Actually these laws related to operations on sets. About operations we have discussed in earlier video like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, complement. All these have been explained in previous video. So now what are certain laws that are related to the operations on sets? So first of all, first idempotent law. I According to this law, A union A is equal to A and A intersection A also is equal to A, and this can be very easily understood by intuition that A union A is A, means all the elements that include any set A, and A intersection A means the set of common element of A and A. This means that the sets of the set A itself. Now second, identity law. Identity laws. According to this law, A union phi or empty set is equal to A, and A intersection U means universal set. A intersection universal set. Since set A is also a subset of universal set U, that is why A intersection universal set will be A itself. Okay. That is why we say that phi is identity element for union. Phi is identity element for union, and universal set U is identity element for intersection. Okay. On the basis of this, you can say that A union universal set. This will be also U. A union universal set will be U, and A intersection phi or empty set. What is common between the set A and empty set? There is nothing. That is why again empty set. A intersection phi is equal to phi. Okay. This is also identity laws. So 1, 2, 3, 4 you can say. Now third, commutative law. Commutative laws. According to these laws, A union B is equal to B union A and A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. All these laws are very simple. That is why in this video we will not try to prove all these laws, because you can see these are very simple. A union B means all the elements of A and B included. This means that all the elements of B and A included. And A intersection B means the common elements of A and B. This also means that the common elements of B and A. Okay. Now fourth, complement laws. COM. Complement laws. You know, you have a good idea about complement set. So, according to this law, A union A complement means ऐसे सारे एलिमेंट जो A में हैं और ऐसे एलिमेंट जो A में नहीं हैं, उन सबको अगर आप इंक्लूड कर लेंगे तो क्या बनेगा? यूनिवर्सल सेट खुद बन जाएगा U. ठीक. एंड A इंटरसेक्शन A कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ऐसे कॉमन एलिमेंट जो A में हो और A में ना हो, तो जो A में है और A में नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होगा, तो नल सेट और एम्प्टी सेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब देखिए यहां पर आपको एक चीज हमेशा याद रखनी चाहिए कि व्हाट विल बी द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द एम्प्टी सेट. एम्प्टी सेट मतलब कुछ नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? यूनिवर्सल सेट खुद हो जाएगा. एंड यूनिवर्सल सेट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट या एम्प्टी सेट हो जाएगा. तो इसको आप हमेशा याद रखिएगा अपने दिमाग में. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन और इनवोल्यूशन. इसको इनवोल्यूशन भी कहते हैं और डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? खुद ए आ जाएगा. ठीक है. तो ये कुछ सिंपल लॉ थे जिसको हमने देखा. आइडेम्पोटेंट, आइडेंटिटी, कम्यूटेटिव, कॉम्प्लीमेंट और इनवोल्यूशन और डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन. ठीक है. अब अगले वीडियो में हम लोग कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट लॉज को देखेंगे और उनको प्रूफ करने की कोशिश करेंगे. इस वीडियो में इतना ही.